the splitter's great.
That's actually really impressive. As they quote 35 on the box. Oh. There we go, half power. Oh. Oh. 53.1 for the Helion. Right then, now turn the GPS on.
I'm saying between 35 and 40.
Right, so it's got to be all of 40, surely. It's not 39.6. Oh, so close to 40.
Than GPS meter.
Speed Pebble GPS Rustler, almost ready to go.
Yeah, see if we can wedge the body over all that somehow. With what's left of the body post after my first run on 3S. See, people will mock me for not ever having run 3S until today, but sometimes I can launch this at anything on 2S and it always comes home, whereas I know if I get to 3S, it's going to start chewing things up like a hungry Doberman. Right, just flex it over the speed pebble. We've now got our aerodynamic shark nose. Looks like a catfish. Right, let's. I'm going to ease it in gently, giggity. Oh, it keeps the front down.
Yeah, ease it in gently. Nicely done. This is 2S, yeah?
3.
Oh, you're on 3 now?
Yeah.
Oh, go big or go home, I suppose. In for a penny, in for some new parts. Oh.
Oh, don't know what that is, but still. I think that might be the pebble causing that, you know. Right, let's see what we've got, shall we?
Scores on the doors.
It seems to not like the weight of that pebble when it's
It will go forwards.
What are you reckoning? That looks
It's got to be 50 plus, isn't it?
I don't know.
It looks as fast as the Helion, doesn't it?
23.86 gear.
49.2
49.2 on bashing gearing. Yeah, I'm pretty pleased with that.